Hello and welcome. You're watching NewsX World, and I'm Megha Sharma. India has hit out at the United States of America and European Union for targeting it for importing oil from Russia after the start of the Ukraine conflict in 2020. India has said that it will take all necessary measures to safeguard its national interests and economic security against the sanctions that have been imposed by the United States of America. In a 5 point hard hitting response, India has exposed US President Donald Trump's hypocrisy and selectiveness in singling out India for buying Russian oil. Even as Russia and European Union continue to have large amounts of bilateral trade, even as United States of America continues to import goods from Russia. Now, here are the 5 points that India has raised. Point one, India's imports are meant to ensure predictable and affordable energy costs to the Indian consumer. And the very nations that are actually criticizing India are themselves indulging in trade with Russia. And this trade is not even a vital national compulsion for these countries. Point number two, a case in point. The European Union in 2024 had a bilateral trade of 67.5 billion euros in goods, which is about 80 billion US dollars. This is significantly more than India's total trade with Russia in 2024 or subsequently. European imports of LNG in 2024 reached a record 16.5 million tons, surpassing the last record of 15.21 million tons in 2022. Now, this is 4 years after the Ukraine-Russia conflict began. Point number three. Europe-Russia trade includes not just energy, but also fertilizers, mining products, chemicals, iron and steel, machinery, transport equipment as well. Point number four, the US continues to import from Russia uranium hexafluoride for its nuclear energy, palladium for its EV industry, fertilizers, as well as chemicals. And finally, point number five, India has made it very clear. It has said that targeting it is unjustified, it is unreasonable, and India, like any other major economy of the world, will take all necessary measures to safeguard its national interests and economic security.